Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to add a new class in Edmodo. And if it's the first time you're joining us, welcome to Teach Us, a channel that looks at online tools, resources, and platforms for educators. To start this tutorial, type Edmodo in your search engine, then click it. It will bring you to the home page. Okay, then you're going to go ahead and click Login. And then you're going to, for me, I'm going to log in with Google. Alright, so this is what inside of Edmodo looks like. So what I'm going to be doing first is to give you a brief orientation of the tools inside of Edmodo. The first one is the one with the two hands, and that is where you would go ahead and create your class. And this is what inside of that page looks like. So you can see some of the things that you're able to do, share assignments and quizzes. These are some of the options that you have available to you inside of this icon. Alright, so the next icon that we're going to be looking at is the Discover icon. So what it allows you to do is to get resources, activities, and games that other professionals using the Edmodo platform or LMS system would have created, and so you can go ahead and reuse those and edit them, or you can just use them as inspiration or for inspirational purposes. And that's one of the beautiful things about Edmodo, is that you have a resource center. The next icon that we're going to be looking at is the box or the square. So this is where you would store your information and you see those available options. You can use Google Drive, OneDrive, or you can upload from your library. So this is where you input information, and these are some of the documents: Word, Excel, PowerPoint. All of those are compatible within the Edmodo LMS system. Another icon that we're going to be looking at is the message icon. Alright, so this is what inside of messages looks like. And so you're able to send messages to students, to other teachers and parents alike. You're able to attach files from your phone or from your laptop, and you're also able to share messages using pictures such as emoji. And so that gives Edmodo some sort of personalization, so to speak. As you can see, we can do a lot with the messages. So the next icon that we're going to be looking at is the bell beside the message, and that is called a notification bell. And that is where you'll receive prompts when anything is posted, whether it's assignments or quizzes, etc. And you also have the option of moderating posts, hashtags, anything at all that needs your attention. The notification bell will be that sort of signaling to you as the educator. Alright, so I'm going to take you inside a class that is already created. So I'm going to go ahead and click the menu at the side there, and that will tell you the name of the class. Below that will show you the name of the class and the class description. And that is the class code. That is what you'll give the students. Now, if you should click Create, you will see the assignment and the quiz. Alright, now you're ready to create your own class. So you're going to go to the bottom of the page, click the icon with the two hands, then go to the top of the page, click Create, then Create Class. You're going to go ahead and fill out these fields. First, give your class a name. For the purpose of this video, I am going to give my class Chem 20 as the name of the class. You can also go ahead and write your description. I won't for this video, but just ensure that you're working within the character limits. Next, I'm going to select a grade. You also have the option of giving a range. So if you teach across 2 classes, for example, grade 10 and 11, then you can go ahead and select that range. And that is how you do it. Next, you're going to select the type of subject. So Chem would be science, and then I can go ahead and give the specific name of the subject. You can also personalize that subject by giving it a color, and I did that. All right, so now that we have created our class, we have the option of adding students, so I'm going to go ahead and click that. Now it will take us here. As you can see, the class code is there, and you have the option of adding a class image. If you should scroll down further, you see several options that are available to you. I'm going to click Add Students so that you can see what that looks like. So when you're adding students within Edmodo, you'd need to add their first name and last name and then their email address. So that way the invitation can be sent to the students so that they can join your class. Once you have done that, the students now will go ahead and set up an account and then use the class code in order to register for your class. Once they have completed that, then you'll have your students. You'll have a list of students who would have done that. And so we have just created our class. I hope this video